Hey, come on, don't cry the TV. I want to watch her too. Come on, boy.
No, not. No, not. No, not. No, no. Stop, 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 See! Pig with a chainsaw! Coming to a theater near you!
Yes?
Commissioner Handjob? One-Eyed Snake is here to see you.
Thank you, Judy. Send him in.
Man, look at the natives. Will they get that position?
One-Eyed Snake, Commissioner Handjob will see you now.
Commissioner Handjob?
Yes, I'd like to see you. The pig with the chainsaw and a blanket has just escaped. He has already cut my doggo.
Oh my gosh, where is he?
I don't know, but we all know that you are the only one that can kill him.
I know it. He cut me with this knife in my eye. That is why I am One-Eyed Snake now, instead of just Snake. It is when he was pig with a knife in a blanket, instead of pig with a chainsaw and a blanket. I remember it well.
Yes, I remember very well. I remember when this happened because you were just sitting in your lazy boy recliner.
Man, look at those natives.
How would you like a knife enema, Snake? I eat snakes for breakfast.
Holy crap! It's big! With a knife and a blanket! No! No! Ow! 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 Ow!
I don't miss you, faithful, but you must face it again.
I will not fail you, sir. But just remember, I'm paid by the bacon slice. Commissioner Handjob? I just found him. Yeah, big with a chainsaw and a blanket. He has just killed a child and he is jumping on his trampoline now. I'm going after him. If I do not answer, just help. Bye.
Ah! One-Eyed Snake!
Big with a chainsaw and a blanket! You must die! I have the knife you have killed me with. Well, not killed me, but set me alive with before. I shall make bacon slices and ham hocks out of you. And I shall have green eggs and ham with Sam I am.
No, you shall not, because I shall eat snake stew for breakfast tomorrow morning.
No, you shall not. You shall die. Now I shall make ham hocks. I am!
Watch for pig with a chainsaw in a blanket part 3. Pig with a hoe in a wet blanket.
Kinda can.